circles, if you want to find the equation of a circle, you need to know the center. Suppose it's a comma b, x coordinate is a, y coordinate is b, and the radius, and let's call it r. So the equation would be x minus x coordinate of the center whole squared, y minus y coordinate of the center whole squared equals to radius squared. That's the rule that we're looking for when you're looking for a circle. And about the length of a line, this was in C1. Let's do C1 review. Length of a line, if you have a point A, x coordinate x1 y1, and if you have a point B, x coordinate x2 y coordinate y2, then the length of the line AB is going to be square root of difference of x, x2 minus x1 whole squared, difference of y, y2 minus y1 whole squared. Now the first question is, we have to find the midpoint of AB. So if this is AB, 5 minus 1, you don't have to draw a diagram, but a diagram helps, 13, 11, and the midpoint is M, and it has x coordinate x and y. So if you want to find the midpoint directly, you can write midpoint of AB equals to directly x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is going to be 5 plus 13 is 18, 18 by 2 is 9, 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5. So 9, 5 is the midpoint of AB. So we know that information. Now they're saying that AB is the diameter of a circle. That means if you have a circle, then AB is the diameter. That means OB, or half of the diameter, is the radius, and that means the midpoint of the diameter that we just found, M, this 9, 5, has to be the center. So just by that information we know that the center of the circle is equals to 9, 5, and we know that if AB, the length of the line is, as you know, the formula for the length of the line is x2 minus x1, 13 minus 5 whole squared, plus y2 minus y1, 11 minus 1 is 11 plus 1 whole squared. That would be square root of, I'm using the length of the line formula, 13 minus 5 is 8 squared, 11 plus 1 is 12 squared, so 8 squared is 64, 12 squared is 144, and it would be square root of 4 plus 4 is 8, and 14 plus 6 is 20, 208. So the radius is going to be half of the diameter. So radius is going to be AB by 2. So if AB is square root of 208, it would be square root of 208 divided by 2. Equation of circle. So x minus x coordinate of the center, which is 9 whole squared, plus y minus y coordinate of the center, which is 5 whole squared, equals to radius whole squared. Now this radius is square root of 208 divided by 2 whole squared. Square root of 208 is 208. Square of 2 is 4. Now if we cancel this off, 2 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, and 4 2s are 8. So the equation would be x minus 9 whole squared plus y minus 5 whole squared equals to 52.